What are the best Amazon ads that actually make a difference in performance? Great question. I love that you put in make a difference in performance. The first thing you need to know about Amazon ads, there are different ad types: sponsor product ads, sponsor brand ads, sponsor display, and sponsor TV that you can use on Amazon. It really depends on the scope. Why would you be running them? We love especially sponsor product ads because those are the ones that are the most exact and are helping us and the brands that we manage ranking. What ranking basically means is ensuring that if someone is going to buy with a specific keyword and that is very relevant for the product, it's going to be organically pushed up on the first page of Amazon. So if you can see, sponsored products are my favorite. Sponsored brand ads and sponsored display also are really, really great. Cool thing about them is that you can use specific creatives if you have a competitive advantage that you can showcase in a video on how your product works and why is it the best product on the market. Those could be great advantages for you. Sponsored TV, we tried this one just a bit less. For the brands that we're currently managing, they are not using sponsored TV as much. So therefore, even when it comes down to the strategy, we would not allocate more than 2 to 5% of total ad spend to it.